Good morning. Today we're in Peterborough.
Hello.
Where are we?
We're in Peterborough.
We're in Peterborough, so we're going to see what we can find. But we've clocked a
Railworld
Museum over there. So we're going to go and try that first, and we've got to walk down this little canal bit. Yeah, look.
It's quite peaceful.
Oh, there's a train over there. Yeah, so we're going to have a little walk down here and see what there is down this little... So we've got to go down this river.
Yep.
Got to go down this river,
To
cross a bridge and go back and find Railworld. In the meantime...
Let's have a look. Oh, it's the River Nene.
River Nene.
N-E-N-E.
River... What?
N-E-N-E.
River Nene. Ah, you see, it's historic cast iron bridge. Very historic.
Yeah. Very historic.
Oh look, so we've got to go over that bridge and check the right
yeah.
back.
Swans.
Oh, that's the bridge, isn't it?
Oh. I'm sure that is a viaduct.
No. The great historical cast iron bridge. You know.
Just tripped.
The other side of the historical cast iron bridge. Look.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's an hovercraft.
Oh wow.
I thought that was a plane, but it's a hovercraft.
Railworld Wildlife Haven.
Oh.
Oh, not open every day during school holidays. Oh no.
Oh, is it just for kids, school kids, is it?
No, this is that as well.
Oh.
I wonder how much the tickets are.
Oh, it's like a train station. Oh, is it tickets?
Yeah.
Is it tickets? Oh, please pay here. Yeah. Yeah, got yeah, we just film everything we do and stick it on YouTube and people take the mick out of us.
Yeah.
Coming through the shop here, turn right through that red door and you come out to the Garden Railway. There should be 5 or 6 trains running. If it's not running, you can push the button and they'll start up. Okay,
Oh, wow.
Any problems, give us a shout please.
Yep.
Lovely.
When you finish, have a walk up the slope, across the river into the wildlife area. On the right hand side there you've got a signal box. It's a replica of the signal box that used to be there in BR days. It's got a viewing platform and you're very close to the trains on this Cambridge line. Okay. On the wall you'll see a computer screen with a diagram of Peterborough station area, and you'll see numbers on it corresponding to the train. Each train's got its own particular ID number, and there's a list on there that tells you who they're owned by, where they're going, etc, etc.
Oh well, cool.
Okay. Below Pole is the Earth Centre. The College Centre is the model railway, a large double gauge railway. Cafe is closed at the moment for reformation. Toilets. At the far end there's a viewing platform. Looks right across all the main lines, right down to Peterborough Station.
Oh wow.
Okay. And the wildlife area, you wander around if you like. You don't know what you might see because it's purely up to nature what you do or don't see.
That's cool. Thank you.
Cool.
Thank you very much.
Nice
Cheers.
one. Cheers, mate. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Cheers.
I can't find
find you. Oh. I can't find you. They've got everything but.
Well, type it in.
Oh. I think it's like that, isn't it?
We're so famous, we can't even find our own channel.
I don't think that's on.
Here's the button channel. Hovercraft. Oh, old BRs in there.
What are they?
Old British rail trains.
Oh, BRs in there.
Old slam shuts. Oh look, it's little mini railway.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we said.
Oh yeah. Go.
Wildlife Haven bit now. Got over a bridge. So that section now. Oh, there's real trains over there.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, parked up. Oh, what way?
Stuart Smith Walk.
Engine.
You read that?
Yeah, read it for yourself.
Steam engine driven.
I was going to pretend that I knew that knowledge in, but it didn't quite work. It said rusty. Let's do this side first. Oh, look, beware bees making honey. She's been bit. There's something there.
Hungry. Oh, is that a bee? That is, isn't it? But that's a well weird colour. The Gladden family. Oh look. So you're going to put that there and you can't sit on it and ride it. That just makes me want to ride it.
Doesn't it? Look, there's a flag. D of E. Duke of Edinburgh.
Oh yeah. I never got to do that at school.
You never did?
No.
Because you're old.
What?
You're old. They didn't have it in your days.
Yes, I did.
It's a tent.
Oh.
Oh. Oh look, it's there, look.
What?
Mary the Mud Maid.
Oh yeah.
Look, you see the head?
Yeah.
It's changed a bit over the years.
Yeah.
She's put on a few pound, hasn't she? It's all that green.
You're so funny. She's got the munchies.
Cool, on. Where is it?
Oh no, it's an indoor bit.
It's an indoor bit.
Yeah. I'm on the railway.
Oh, blimey. That is
For £4?
Yeah, £4. You can't go wrong.
No.
There was a tenner, well £9 for two of us and a bag of crisps.
Yeah.
So what are we gonna look now?
The flamingos can actually drink boiling water.
Oh. How did they find that one out
I've
then?
got no idea. And they can dunk in boiling water as well.
Oh.
That's mad, isn't it?
you know that's true? Where did you learn
Yeah,
that?
no, it was
Right.
oh, I can't remember what we was watching now. I want to say I can't remember what we was watching anyway, but yeah, and then I googled it straight after and it actually legitimately says they do.
Oh, flamingos drink boiling water.
Yeah.
There you go.
Fun fact, if anyone didn't know.
Oh. It's alright in some parts, though. That a sweet shop?
Who? No, that's a vape shop. B&M.
Yeah. Oh, these little ski masks. Encourage local youth. Send ski masks and shit.
Down there.
Oh yeah. Oh, Wilkinson's.
And a snappy snaps, I haven't seen one of them for ages.
Oh hell, the one in South East shut, isn't it?
Yeah.
TK Maxx.
I see it. Do you want to go in there while we're in here?
Might as well, isn't it? It doesn't look like. You got a food court though. What is it?
Imagine me right now, about 6 foot tall.
I don't know that's level. No. I think it's like an event, isn't it?
Oh yeah, because it's Easter, isn't it?
Yeah. What was that place called?
St John's Church.
St John's Church. Really couldn't get in there because it's Easter
Yeah,
weekend.
forgot about that.
They've got all their Eastery stuff going on. I'm not talking about Easter eggs, like Jeebus stuff.
Jesus.
Yeah. The cathedral. Look, this is when Peterborough used to be a good place to visit. You could come and buy a city map of Peterborough when people used to come here, but obviously no one comes here now, so it's empty.
Half Jones though.
Yeah. Oh look, what's this? It's old
Oh,
woman's
it's
toilet.
Yeah. Women.
Look. Oh yeah, these old toilets. Yeah. You see up there, it says men, and you've got the disabled things. And this one's women with little disabled sides.
Yeah.
So there once was, on this cool old wall, there were some toilets. So, this is Bishop's Road Garden. So, what's the significance of Bishop's Road Gardens?
It's a Foundry Walk.
What's a Foundry Walk, Sammy?
I don't know.
What's what?
It's like a building.
Right there. It's a shed. Oh, what's this thing?
No idea.
Oh.
Historical knowledge.
Yeah. So, what is this, you might say? Sammy has got the answer.
This memorial originally stood on the former market site adjoining the old Guildhall in what is now Cathedral Square. It was re-erected here in Bishop's Road Gardens in 1967.
In memory of Pearson Cates.
Henry.
First mayor of the city was Henry Pearson Cates. There you go. First mayor of Peterborough. S. Oswald's Close.
This house, purchased by public subscription, is presented to the Peterborough District Nursing Association.
Oh, association. Oh look, let's go and see them rocks
Stones,
first.
Yeah. I call them
Let's go and
stones,
steam
you
the
call them
rocks.
rocks.
Oh, so there's this bloke called. There was this bloke called Colin Beckett, right? And he was in the 3rd Parachute Regiment. He was killed in the 5th of February 2011 in Helmand Province while on operations in Afghanistan.
He was only aged 36.
He was only 36.
He was 24.
And there was another fella, Michael Brodie. He was killed 17 August 72 in Belfast. Stephen Ristrop. But yeah, here's a little
They're all
memorial
really
to
young,
couple of
look.
them.
They died while peacekeeping in Northern Ireland.
Right, so it's hotel review time. We are where?
In the Park Inn by Radisson in Peterborough.
Peterborough. Right, first things first. It's a 3 p.m. check-in. Room wasn't ready. Only just got into the room. What is the time? 6 minutes past 4.
So,
Crap.
shit.
So, it was 60 quid for the night. Let's have a look around the room, shall we? Show us the room.
Curtains.
I'm going to open the curtains, get some light in. Oh, this is the view. Look at that. Local Mandem. Bit of graffiti, bit of Asda.
Yep.
Yeah.
And
What else
bed
we got?
Area here.
The bed
2
area.
beds. A desk with a lamp.
The lamp.
A safe.
Sure, the lamp don't work. Oh, I told you, that lamp don't bloody well, is it?
Here's the switch actually
It don't.
on.
Yeah, cool, it's on.
Oh, shut
It
up.
don't work, look.
Is it even got a bulb in? Oh, it has got a bulb.
It's got a bulb, it just
Shit.
don't work, is it? Yeah. Just trying to plug the other plug socket. Yeah, great, that shit, isn't it? Oh, actually, no, tell a lie. I ain't put the key card
Yeah.
in the
Where's
thing.
the key card?
Over there. Maybe it'll work now.
Right, okay, now we've got some light.
Hey, it wasn't the hotel, it was me.
So yeah, it's a TV,
Via tea.
bin,
Bin.
tea and coffee making.
Tea and coffee,
area.
no biscuits.
No, let
No
down.
biscuits.
No
Why is there no
biscuits.
biscuits?
But they give you a bit more milk.
Yeah.
Normally they give you like 2.
Battered like leather sofa.
That looks dusty as fuck.
Oh,
Towels, extra pillows, which I'll need to lay on.
you need to lay on.
Iron, walked in my leg. Ironing board, hairdryer,
Hairdryer.
hangers,
Hangers.
moment of truth, bathroom. Okay, not the best.
Mould check. There's a bit of mould around here, nothing major. Cracked tiles. That's not good. Ain't bad.
Yeah, it's alright.
It's okay.
I think it's about one of the first times I've actually been in a hotel room that's only just got a shower. Normally they have baths.
Really? I've been quite a few. So basically, that was the review of the hotel.
Yeah. But also.
But yeah, 3
check-in.
o'clock check-in, which is pretty late.
And we came up at 3:20.
Yeah,
We
20
hadn't
past 3.
even got into our room yet to clean. And then we
Yeah.
went downstairs and ordered a drink, which took forever. To
Oh
sort
yeah, they
out.
didn't have orange juice.
No, I wanted orange and
The
lemonade.
bar didn't have orange juice.
No. And then we waited till 4, come back up, Still hadn't finished our room, so we went back downstairs and I complained.
Yeah, because she's the mainly one.
No,
She's the complainer.
No, I'm not a complainer. I just speak up. Prick.
That's a swimming pool, is it?
What a Lido is.
Oh, it's an
Or a
outdoor
Lido.
swimming pool. So tell us what a Lido is.
It's just an outdoor swimming pool. Henceforth, this place in front of us has no roof and an open swimming pool.
Well, people don't know what a Lido. Oh look, there's more found a Lido is. Especially young people ain't got a Lido is.
I don't think you get
Only
many
the
of
old
them.
people like you and me.
Excuse me. Speak for yourself.
Things start sagging and getting
Speak
wrinkly.
for yourself.
And huh?
I said, speak for yourself.
I embrace the saggy balls.
I don't have saggy tits, thanks.
The nuts are sagging, it's all good with me. You know, she's dragging, you know, her nipples are near her heels nowadays.
I don't think so.
This is a Lido.
It's different prices.
So how much is it for a kid?
For a kid, depends. So early morning is £4, morning and afternoon sessions £5, all day is £8.
All day. Ah, and I don't know if you
Adult
can,
all day is 11.
yeah, you can see it, but that's it, that's the pool there, isn't it? Look.
Yeah. You can see it better this side actually. Look, come here.
That's the pool. They used to be quite popular back in the days.
There's a duck sitting on there as well.
Oh, there's a duck in there, oh yeah. Duck's loving a bit of
Take
chlorine.
this.
Chlorine?
Lovely.
Chlorine.
Chlorine.
Alright, so again to Kokoro. Where are we?
Kokoro. Kokoro? Kokoro.
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 Kokoro. Do you see me?
Yes.
So I've got teriyaki noodles. They look good, mate. They taste good. I've had a little taste already. What are you getting?
I'm getting the vegetable gyoza udon.
Vegetable gyoza udon.
We're thinking about going back in for breakfast to get the deluxe. I don't know how to say that word. And roll.
Listen, if you were to say,
Sushi.
innit? Yeah.
Sushi for breakfast.
We normally to give you the 3 gyoza, but we are pretty for this.
Thank you. Smooth talker.
He's a liar, isn't he?
Let me pop that in there. Have a little mix round. Barely use chopsticks at the best of times.
Nice.
Nice, isn't it? Got some good flavour.
Oh.
I mean, my vegetable gyoza is broken. I'm mainly just spooned at the end of this.
The udon's really nice. Perfectly done. Perfectly done noodles. Anyway, I'm going to eat. I'm hungry.
Me too, I'm starving.
But, so we're back here because we like it, and now we're having sushi for breakfast.
Oh. It's got prawn katsu in, chicken katsu, that's a crab stick. I hate crab sticks though. Soy sauce. Wasabi? No, we hate crab sticks.
Oh, it's nice.
Put it in the gob.
Put it in your gob then. Wasabi.
Oh my god. My eyes are watering. Oh shit. Oh my fuck. Oh, that just burnt my nose holes.
It's strong, isn't it? If it come here, mine wasabi. It just blew our head off. You only had the tiniest bit.
Oh my god.
We're both crying. The headphone's going to explode. We're off to the cathedral now.
No, we're off to the museum first.
Oh, museum then cathedral. Was going to do it yesterday, but the hotel pissed us about.
Yeah.
So, see it museum. So we come to the museum. Oh, there's an art gallery here as well.
Yeah, museum and art gallery, is it?
Gallery.
Oh, is it open?
Oh, it's open.
Oh no.
It's supposed to open at 10.
Is it? Oh, she is open.
Oh, it is open. There you go. You're alright. It's free. We like free.
You do. Ooh. Portrait of elephant skull.
It's an elephant skull.
Oh wow.
Oh, ladybird books. Oh, it's a fox. Oh, Roma gypsies.
Cool.
This is about the first people. Oh look, that's what they used to talk. Oh, quite sharp, man.
Victorian operating theatre.
Oh, see if we can lobotomise Sammy.
Oh, that might put more sense into me.
Oh wow.
Wow, that's very clinical. Is that a sound effect? Is that a sound effect? It is, isn't it?
Or a ghost. Right, so if you look at these on the floor, these are original Victorian non-slip tiles. I didn't read off the wall. Look mate, people are just fucked around here, isn't there? This guy's behind me, it's fuckery, mate.
Look at it on the wall, look at it on the wall as well.
I know, it's fucked.
Just get a coffee.
People are battered around here, mate.
Right.
So this time, what's the time now?
Like 5 to 11.
It's like 5 to 11 AM and there's people rolling around off their fucking neck. Like zombied out at this time in the morning.
I can only assume it's spice because I think that's what happens when people take spice.
Yeah.
Because I've seen it before.
And I've not been to a town with like people zombied out like that before, actually.
And like full on, eyes closed.
Yeah, just like spannering out. Saturday morning. I suppose it's a bank holiday.
Oh, it's the only time you can get away with it.
Time to let loose.
Go and have a drink in the morning.
Yeah.
Not feel bad about it. Bondage? You say bondage?
Yeah.
Only given a chance. He's got the power to break every addiction.
clown as well,
He's got the power to break every chain. The chains of sin, the chains of affliction, the chains of sickness. Jesus Christ can save you. He can deliver. He can rescue. Shout Jesus! Shout Jesus! Shout Jesus! He is alive! He is alive! He is alive! He paid the debt.
Should I get coffee? Yep. Thank you.
Thank you.
So this is Starbucks in Peterborough. They're taking a long time. Go over there getting the drinks. I'm in colouring corner. Got colouring corner. And they've got a book corner as well. So you can have a book. Sit here, read the book and have your coffee. This little cubby off here. They're at the cathedral.
Yeah, at the cathedral.
At the cathedral. That was an old bank, that Starbucks. Oh wow. Oh, we got to donate. Just cash your card. Hey? Is that? What, an iPad or something? Oh. What are these?
Not sure. Like filters, didn't they?
Yeah.
Getting a vacuum cleaner. Lewis Clayton.
No?
Lewis Clayton.
Lewis Clayton, DD. Oh, look.
What? Oh yeah. I thought you was going to point out
No.
that part. Tit.
What is that? Is that a Latin character?
Again, I'm not sure.
I want to learn how to make stained glass windows.
George Eric Deacon Alcock.
Oh, he didn't die that long ago, 25 years ago.
Oh yeah.
The carvings on the pillow.
Oh, yeah.
The patterns. And these
You
are...
can feel it. Look, this one's a...
Hayden Keaton. Thomas Deacon Esquire. Oh.
Because it's something like you can have a tour of the tower.
Ah.
But that I think
St
is
Paul, St Andrew, St Peter. This is the bishop's chair. This is where the bishop sits. I wonder if they are different bishops.
Yeah, maybe.
Done the railway thing. Oh no, we paid for that. It was a few quid.
That was like £4 each.
4 quid each, you know what I mean? And
Just a donation of £5 here.
yeah, donation of £5 here.
It's killed.
So yeah, there's a few bits to do in Peterborough. Not much. The junkies are quite amusing on a Saturday morning. But yeah, that's it then. Goodbye from us in Peterborough.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
See you later.